The Jordan boy. 2 years, 6 months old, almost 7 months. And we're going to try to hit the ball without the tee. He's done it a few times already. About 1 out of 4 or 5 times he's hitting it without the tee on this thing here. Okay, here we go. Ready? You trying to make the light come back on? Okay, there we go. All right. Ready? Cheese! This is a video, though, silly. Oh! Okay, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes! Yes! Good job! You hit it. Here we go. Let's do it again.